Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your profile on Webgate Plus for Publix. As part of our managed services, your profile will be completed by our customer service department when you set up with EDI Gateway. But if any of the information changes on the way, you will be able to go in and modify them by following this simple and short video. First, log into Webgate Plus at webgate.edigateway.net. Once you reach the login screen, type in your username, your password, and the image text. The username and password is provided to you by our customer service representative when you set up with EDI Gateway. Once you have entered Webgate Plus, click on Profile. There are three tabs to look at. The first one is My Information. This information was either provided to us when you first signed up with the retailer, or if this was a switchover from an older version of our EDI application. We may have entered it based on previously existing information we had in our file. Under Information, click on My Information. In this tab, you will need to enter your GST number, your PST number. If you don't have an HST number, simply repeat your GST number. You do not need to fill in the printer default layout since Publix does not require labels, and your manufacturer code is not required either. Once the information is indicated in the fields, click on Save Changes. The second tab within My Information is Addresses. Click on Addresses. To add an address, you click on New and enter the required information. You will need to indicate your DUNS number in the field, as this is a mandatory information for Publix. Enter your first address type, remit to, enter your DUNS number preceded by 4 zeros, enter your company name, the address, the city, the postal code, your country, and the state or province. Then click OK. The next address that is required for Publix is your ship from. To enter your ship from, click on New and select Ship From in the address type. Then repeat the following information. You can edit or delete if you need to. If you need to delete an address you've entered previously, click on it and then click on Delete. If you need to edit an information, click on the address and click on Edit. Then you have access to all the fields. Click OK. There is no need to fill in the carrier information, as this is not required for Publix. Your next step is to upload your catalog. To upload the CSV template, you will click on Import from CSV, Item List, Import from CSV. Click on Import from CSV, then click on Download Template. Click on OK. Save the template either on your desktop or somewhere where you have an easy access to it. In my case, I have it saved on my desktop. Access your template. Enter the information required for Publix. This would be vendor's queue, description, default quantity, quantity unit of measure, and the price. For example, baskets, code. Description, baskets in blue. Default quantity, 20 per case, and the price, $65. Now you need to save the template. I'll save it again to my desktop and we'll call it Publix template. Close it. Once you go back on the item list, you'll click on Browse for CSV, select the template, and then the information has been populated. Click on Import. This will most likely be done for you by our customer service department, but you will need to enter the information required for Publix as requested by our customer service representative. As previously mentioned, you need to enter your vendor SKU, your description, your default quantity, your unit of measure, either cases or eaches, and the price. If you only have a few or one item to add to your item list, you can enter them manually by clicking on Create New Item. Enter your vendor SKU, your description, your default quantity, the unit of measure, and the price. Click on OK. This will add this particular item to the list. Your next step is to click on Retailer. Click on My Retailers. Select the retailer in the drop-down menu. In this case, we'll be selecting Publix. The required information is vendor number provided to you by Publix, the location type. On the location type, for the relationship location number 1, you will select Remit to. It is important that you select RI. Then you will browse and click on the Remit to you have previously entered in your My Information profile. The next information you need to enter are the terms type. You will enter Basic. What you need to enter is their net days, the discount days, and the discount percentage. For example, 2% minus 10 days, net 45. Scroll down to the bottom and save your entries. Click on Save. Relationship info is saved. Congratulations! You have completed your profile setting required for Publix. You are now ready to watch our video tutorial on how to receive your purchase order for Publix or how to create your invoice. Here is how to reach us. And from all of us at EDI Gateway, thank you for watching.